All right, what's up? This is very spontaneous, but we are gonna go film bro, I can't believe it, but we're gonna go film a Ferrari 812. So let's go. Alright, anyways, I'm in the back of the car. The Ferrari is right in front of us right there. That car right there, that's the Ferrari.
The
That's the Mazda.
The Mazda.
That's the Mazda.
The Mazda super slow?
The Mazda super slow.
612.
Oh my god. Is that a Rari? That gotta be a Rari. That's a Rari. Look, I'm a vlogger, dude. Here in my garage.
You're my garage.
Here in my garage.
Just bought this new Ferrari.
Here in my garage, dude. Oh, dude, I had a manual focus. I'm dumb.
What does that mean?
There you go. Oh, look at how this thing is so wide, dude. It's crazy. Oh yeah, let me see it. Let me see it. How's it looking?
Toasty. Check this out.
Why does that look crazy on my camera right now?
Don't even know.
It looks crazy on my camera right now.
In front of the bus.
What kind of vehicle is that?
That one over there?
No, this one right here.
Oh, this is a Mercedes.
Really?
Yeah, but the tuning company who puts this crazy arches in it, it's called Brabus. Yeah, they work hand in hand with Mercedes, and they take a couple of the vehicles off the line for the
Customize it.
Customize it, put these big arches on it. Man of the hour. What are we doing?
Slaving away, man. Nah, we're shooting the Ferrari and the Brabus.
The Babus. Damn Babish.
Nah. Watch it wherever you watch it.
I'm following it.
Okay. Woodbridge right there.
Did you get it?
That smells like straight Woodbridge. Yeah, I did. Oh my god, that smells like Woodbridge. Where we at, Wally? Where we at?
Start blazing, start blazing.
Start blazing, start blazing.
Start blazing.
Is this where we end the video?
No.
No?
No.
What's after this, dude?
We're gonna shoot that GTR.
Oh,
We're gonna find him in there and be like, hey,
Yeah, bro.
which one are you f***s?
Yeah, literally.
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 Start blazing, start blazing.
Is it good?
It's better than Shaw's, better than Nas, DCG.
DCG's on top. Feeling, bro?
I feel like ass, dude.
Yeah, nah, bro. Start blazing. Cook my stomach. This shit's nice, though. Yeah.
My stomach's blazing, dude.
Free GTR?
Nah, dude, what?
Free. No one's in it.
It is free technically. What's
Oh,
stopping
yeah.
you from running into that?
That's nice, bro.